Hi viewers, let's take a look at this problem convert to palindrome problem from Interviewbit. So in this problem we are given a string and we have to find out whether we can make a palindrome out of it. If we can strike out one character, we have to return a 1 if that is possible and return a 0 if that is not possible. Now let's take a look at the examples that are given in the question. The first one is a palindrome, and clearly we can see that we can strike out the middle character, that is C, to make it a palindrome again. And the second one is not a palindrome, and also there is no character that we can strike out to make it a palindrome. In order to solve this problem, we need to actually find the position of mismatch. So for example, we are given this string. We traverse the string from the front and back simultaneously. So we take 2 pointers and traverse the string until we find the position of first mismatch. So here we can see that the first mismatch comes at this position when we are at H and G. So at this position we have two choices. Either we can strike out H and continue with this substring, or we can strike out G and continue with this substring. So we actually need to find out whether we can strike out one of them and the remaining string still forms a palindrome or not. Now let's code out the solution. Since we have to take 2 pointers, let's name them st and it will be initialized to 0. The second one will be en and that will be initialized to a.length -1. So we have to traverse while st is less than en. Now the condition will be if a of st is not equal to a of en, we will take two substrings, string s1, that will be a substring of a, and it will start from st and the length will be en minus st. So the point here to note is that we have removed one character from the end, and the second substring s2 will be a substring and it will start from st plus 1 and the length again will be en minus st. So this substring we have removed one character from beginning. So if we can create a palindrome in either of these situations, then we can return a 0. So let's consider this. We will return is palin s1 or is palin s2. And by default we will return a 1. That is the case when the given string is a palindrome. So in that case we can always remove one character to make the string a palindrome again. Now this is palin function just simply returns whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So we take 2 pointers again and we traverse by default. We'll return a 1, that is the given string is a palindrome. Otherwise we will return if AST is not equal to AEN, return 0, and ST plus plus and EN minus minus. Same goes here, ST plus plus and EN minus minus. Let us go to the solution once again. So we have taken 2 pointers, one is from the beginning and one is from the end. Now we traverse the string and we find out the first position of mismatch, and at that position we take 2 substrings, and if one of them or both of them is a palindrome, we return a 1, otherwise we return a 0. And if we exhaust this string, we simply return 1 because the given string is a palindrome already, and we can strike out one character to make it a palindrome again. Now let's try to submit this. And thanks for watching.